Hi, today we are working with the concept of functions in JavaScript. So functions are the blocks for doing a particular task for the user, like other functions in other programming languages. So how to do the JavaScript functions? We have to start with the keyword called as function. We just type the keyword here, function, function keyword, and then we have to type the name of the function which you want. So for example, my function name is display. So I need to open it, I need to close it with a particular thing, and then I need to call it. So I'm calling it with the same name, with the parenthesis and with semicolon. So this part from the line number 3 to line number 5, this is a function definition, and this is called as function call. So we can put it as a function call, and the first one is called as function definition. That means we are putting the body inside it. So we say function definition. Yes, it can be like this, or this is called as a function body. So when I call this, it will be automatically called by the function, and that function is called as display. So what to do with that? So we can put some message, or we can do some anything, and the number of times we call it, it will automatically call the thing. So we will see. So just for example, I'm putting a console because we are working in a console. So log, and then I say the message is hello. I put a semicolon here. This is a statement, and if I just try to run the code and I just see the output in the terminal, whether I'm able to get the output. Yes, I'm able to get the output. For example, if I delete this from the if I delete, or if I put a comment before display, so if I try to run the code now, it will not get anything. Why the thing is not there? Because we are not putting the calling part. So every time you have to remember, whenever you are working with some functions, you have to work like this. You have to call a function, you have to make a function definition of it, and you can make the number of functions you want. Hope you like this video. If you really like the video, please put a thumbs up, share the videos with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.